2007 Nissan Altima 3.5 liter V6. What do you think of that car, Jared? I like it. I like Nissan. Factory converter there, second converter up there, third converter there. If you guys didn't know, they come with 3. And then resonator delete there. We'll show you the resonator in a minute. It's a long sucker, as you guys can see. So you got to put, it's 2 1/4 pipe. Then we also have to put 2 hangers on it, as you guys can see there. Then it wides out the back into 2-inch pipe. And what we did is put 2 1/4 pipe in their place there, instead of the mufflers that were on it, and right there. And then he brought his own DC mufflers right there and right there, and we slapped them on there for him, give him that nice deep tone. It's a Nissan Altima 3.5 liter. The mufflers he doesn't have anymore. He cut them off, threw them away a long time ago. And there's that long resonator that was on it that we just cut off too. So looks a lot better, a lot nicer. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, see how deep it is? If you take those off, it'd be too loud, too raspy. That sounds good. There you guys can see the DC Sport. Again, here's sound decibels. Again, right at 101. Go ahead and back it up.
Now I just gotta paint it.
Huh?
Now I just gotta paint it.
Yeah. Little, hey, that's what cars are for, projects. They keep us sane. That's a nice deep tone. I like it. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Nissan Altima, DC mufflers, and resonator delete. I think he likes it. I like it. Just a clean sound. It's not always about being loud. It's sometimes you just want a clean, deep sound. You want to hear that motor. I don't know what's going to happen when electric cars take over in about 30, 50 years. Until then, we're not worried about it. Got a nice idle to it. Nice.